Welcome to Phonics Module 3. Today we will discuss consonant clusters, blends, and digraphs, as well as vowel diphthongs and digraphs. This mini lecture was designed to help you learn fundamental skills in word recognition, including phonics and structural analysis. These skills are necessary for elementary school teachers to teach reading. As you review known skills or learn new skills, do the practice activities in each section to help you prepare for the phonics quizzes. There are two categories of consonant clusters. They are blends and digraphs. A blend is two or three consonant clusters in a word or syllable where all consonant sounds are heard. There are three categories of blends: S blends, R blends, and L blends. Digraphs, on the other hand, are two consecutive consonants in a word or syllable that represent one speech sound. There are three kinds of sounds made by digraphs: new sounds, either letter sounds, or another sound. In this chart are some of the consonant blends for S blends, R blends, L blends, and miscellaneous blends. Pause the video clip to read through the lists. Here are some of the consonant digraphs. You will want to pause the video clip and say aloud these words to hear the new sound made by the digraph, the either sound made by the digraph, or the whole other sound made by the digraph. Consonant blends activity. Question 1. Which word in this list have blends? Question 2. Which words in this list have digraphs? Pause the video clip to determine the answers, then play the clip again to find out if you were correct. Answers. Question 1. A, slop, C, strand, and D, jump all have blends. Question 2. A, church, B, cough, and D, knock all have digraphs. Now let us move on to vowels. Vowel diphthongs are when two vowels are in one syllable where two sounds are heard. This is similar to consonant blends. The most common diphthongs are the OI in oil, OY in oyster, OU in house, and OW in now. The OY in oyster is an example of the Y used as a vowel, discussed in the previous phonics module. The OW in now is an example of the W as a vowel, discussed later in this mini lecture. Vowel digraphs are when two adjacent vowels in a syllable make one sound. The most common digraphs are when the first vowel is long. This is referred to as when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Examples are seed, goat, seat, pain, and day. There are exceptions, however, such as break, bread, piece, and broad. There are other vowel digraph diphthong exceptions. There are specifically two vowel combinations that can be either digraphs or diphthongs depending on the word. These vowel combinations are OU and OW. Let's begin with OU. OU is a digraph in the words cough, through, and tough. OU is a diphthong in couch. OW is a digraph in the word snow, but a diphthong in the word cow. Digraph and diphthong practice activity. Here are 4 questions for you to practice differentiating digraphs and diphthongs. Pause the video clip to determine the answers. Answers. Question 1. The two digraphs are heat and play. Question 2. OW is not a digraph in plow. Question 3. The two diphthongs are oil and mouse. Question 4. OU is a diphthong in pouch. Now let us talk about W as a vowel. It is a vowel as part of a digraph when preceded by A, E, or O. Examples are paw, blow, and grew. W is also a vowel in a diphthong preceded by an O sometimes. An example of W as a vowel in a diphthong is clown. W as a vowel practice. Which words have W as a vowel? Answer. Hint. W follows a vowel. A, law, and C, flow have W as a vowel.